Good afternoon, sir. I'm reporting sexual transmitted disease infection in the maritime industry. When traveling seafarers should take precaution to avoid sexual transmitted illnesses. Sexual activity that is not safeguarded against while traveling abroad is a major source of sexual transmitted illness. STIs. Seafarers travel international and are therefore more vulnerable to STIs. For millions of men, women, and children, sexual transmitted infection (STI) are a major source of acute sickness, infertility, long-term impairment, and death with serious medical and physiological repercussions. The chance of contracting HIV and virus that causes AIDS can rise in the presence of an untreated sexual transmitted infection (STI). Seafarers are advised to take care of their own sexual health by this instruction along with treatment information for prevalent STIs. It also covers HIV, AIDS, and safety measures for sailors. Thank you po.